What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in Canva. Now if you find this video useful, go ahead and give this video a like and let me know in the comments below. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, do consider subscribing so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you very much, and now let's jump in. Now guys, as you can see right here in Canva, on my Canva here, I have a video with a green screen background, right? So in order to remove this, all you have to do is just simply click on the video and you want to click on edit video on the top here. Now once you do that, you realize I have the option on the tools that says background remover. Now it has a crown beside it because it requires Canva Pro. So if you don't have Canva Pro, you can easily get Canva Pro for free, a 30-day trial that you can use. Now, if you will find Canva useful and you would like to continue, feel free to go ahead and continue with your subscription. Otherwise, you can easily cancel before the expiration of the 30-day trial ends. And that's all you have to do. Now, what you want to do, just simply click on the BG remover, and this will easily remove the background of the video. Now, once the video is removed, guys, you can always go ahead and play around with the sizing of the video. You can also utilize filters to change the filters to something that you so desire. Now I like this solar one, so I'm going to continue to use it. Very nice, right? Now once you're done with that, guys, you can easily replace the background for something of your choice. This could be another video or it could be an image. It's totally up to you. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on images right here, for example, and I'm going to simply choose this background. So I'm going to drag it here. Then I'm going to simply right click on the image. I'm going to go to layers, and then I'm going to click on send backwards. And as you can see that it went to the back there. And now the lady is in the front. So I'm going to simply resize this, position it so that it's looking good, add it into the center, and that's all there is to it. Now if you'd like to do it for a video as well, you can simply click on videos and you can easily go ahead and search for something like background. You'll find a bunch of videos with different backgrounds that you can use. Very easy, guys. Or you can simply type room or whichever you want. It's totally up to you, and you can change the background. I'm going to show you how that works. Simple. Let me click on the background here and remove. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on a different background. Let's say this one, and I'm going to simply right click on the video here, go to layers, send backwards, and as you can see, my lady is now in the front again, and all I have to do is just resize it, and that's all there is to it. Now you can even make this a bit more nicer, guys, by simply click on this background image, remove it, and let's try something like a newsroom, right? Something like that. That should be pretty nice. And then I'm going to put this background here, right click on it, layer, set backwards, and have a look at that. Very easy, very simple. It looks much more professional, right? I'm going to simply move her to the left slightly so that it looks very nice. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now once you're done, all you have to do is just simply go ahead, click on share, downloads. Then you want to ensure that it's MP4 selected, and then you can download it. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.